Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Harman Kardon portable speaker with iPhone. And to do this, first let's open Bluetooth on our iPhone. You can go through settings or through notification bar. I'll choose notification bar. Here's in Bluetooth, we need to enter settings, so hold your finger onto it and go for Bluetooth settings. Here make sure that it's on, it looks like this, then move on to the speaker, power it on. Now when it's freshly bought, it should enter the pairing mode instantly, and here you can connect it. Now if you can't find it and it's not in a pairing mode, you might need to press this Bluetooth button and hold it until you hear a different sound. Then it will enter pairing mode. And in this case, if you can't find it, and as you can see it's working by the LED lamp, we might need to perform factory reset. And to do this, you will need to hold the minus and plus key, which is volume up, volume down key, for about 10 seconds. And you can look at the LED lamp, it will turn red, then you can let go of the buttons. And that way we performed factory reset. Now power on your speaker. And then it will enter pairing mode automatically again, and you should be able to see it in device list. You can restart the Bluetooth if you like. Here it is. And now it's connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.